So the last thing we want you to know is that there's a 100% satisfaction guaranteed money back offer on this course. So if you're not happy with this course, maybe you realize that, hey, you really learn better in person, you want, a guitar instructor right there next to you by your side. You could fill out this, just ask for a refund and no questions asked. We'll give you your money back within the first 14 days. So you have nothing to lose and everything to win by taking this course. It's a great course. We stand behind the fact that, we're confident that you're going to enjoy it and that it's going to get benefit to you and that it's going to be worth the money that you pay for it. We totally stand behind that. So you have nothing to lose and everything to win by enrolling in this class. There's that 100% satisfaction guarantee on the course. So just click that buy button, enroll in the class, let's try it out. I know you're going to love it. And I look forward to being in class with you and learning guitar from Jeff because it's great and he's great and you're going to love it. And I know you're going to like this class. So give it a try. Click buy, and I look forward to seeing you in class and learning with you guitar.